You know how sometimes life plays with us? It pushes us out of our comfort zone to help us explore new things. These periods of time can be hard, and I call them transformative periods of life. You need to recognize them and embrace them. Don't push away new lessons that life teaches you. This video is unusual for me, for my channel, and I usually speak about business, fashion, and how to make your brand successful online. But today I want to be a little more vulnerable with you and show you my own path to success. It was not always easy, but I learned so many lessons on this way, and I'm grateful for that. If you go through the transformative period and you're looking for solutions, I think the first thing to do is to recognize this phase of your life and accept it. Welcome it, embrace it. It shows that something needs to be changed or to be fixed. And if you take it as an exploration of your internal self and your needs, you then fix your life to be aligned with this internal self. You will be the winner. This is how you can release expectations and stop putting pressure on yourself. You just need to accept that you are on the learning path, which means you are on the right path. There are no right or wrong ways. Some people take their whole life to realize something important and get there when it's the end for them. But if you can make this transformation earlier and help yourself achieve your new level today, you will thank yourself for having done this for the rest of your life. Your life will never be the same. I know it may sound like other motivational video that you already heard and many times, but you couldn't really change your life with this. I can tell you my story, which may give you some insights and help you move forward with your transformation. My story. For the last decade or more, I was going through this transformative period of my life. I decided to become an entrepreneur, and because I liked fashion, I wanted to create my own brand in the fashion business. I decided that the best way to do that was because I'm not from the industry and I needed to network for that. I decided to attend an MBA class. I was accepted from the first application, but the scholarship was expensive, $25,000 at that time, and I was still working without having permanent citizenship in France, so I decided to decline. I was 24 years old. I made the second temptation 5 years later, and this time I needed to pay $30,000 a scholarship for 2 years of the MBA program. And since I got my French passport, I decided to go all in and put all my savings into the MBA program. Was it a good decision? Well, I think at that time I just didn't find any alternatives. And I was fully believing that being part of the fashion world is the best starting point before getting into the business idea. I wouldn't do this today. Not because of money. I don't care about money as soon as it serves me for my own growth and personal development. But today, I realize that what is important in my journey is my own experience, believing in myself, and having a vision. These three main things that can help you get there without putting more into your education or your business. I realize that no matter what diploma you have, if you don't try to do something yourself, live it fully, and work on yourself, no diploma will help you. Besides, in entrepreneurship, what matters are not your diplomas, but the way you think, the way you work with people, and how you use your time to achieve whatever you want. So my own experience showed that you could achieve your goals if you find the right mentor, you work on yourself daily, and you practice peaceful and stress-releasing activities such as yoga, meditation, sport, and daily walking. You can achieve a lot with time. It's a long-term game. It's not a quick fix. So the most important thing in your journey to your success is you. You need to work on yourself daily. The way you think, talk to yourself, talk to others, watch your thinking, and then what you are using and work on your vision daily. I mean, every single person on earth can do whatever they want. We just stop ourselves from big achievements because we are the ones who stop ourselves. No one else, because we don't believe in ourselves. So how to overcome your own limitations and go to this next level where you can achieve more, much more. You are a free creator of your life, and you create your own life. Here's what I realized after my first failure. I have an MBA diploma from the prestigious fashion school in Paris. I create my own business, and 4 years later, I liquidated it because I couldn't get with this anywhere. It only brought me to the point where I needed to do things differently. And it started with believing in myself and what I can do. So how I turned failure into success? First, let me be clear with you. If you are an entrepreneur and you're trying to make your new business successful, you will suffer because of loneliness. Yes, your friends don't care how your day was. They will only care if you make money with this, and you will not make them for a while. It will be hard in your personal life. Your husband or wife will tell you how miserable you are every single day. Well, not right away. First, they will be very excited for you, and then 2 years later, they will tell you, go find a true job. It will affect your confidence, and you will start losing one. And when you lose your confidence, you don't trust yourself and you don't believe in yourself. It's done. It's finished. In fact, you are the only one who can save you and save your business. Don't look at others. Don't listen to anyone. Believe in yourself and go all in. If you need to make that investment, do it. Money will come. Money is a flow. They come, they go, they need movement. If you try to keep them, you will be stuck. Let money go to come new energy into your business. Invest in yourself, even if you are broke. So what I did when I was in this hole, after I liquidated my first business, where I was listening to everyone, I took debts, I bought stock, and I took developers who didn't deliver my website. I had problems with my husband. He was insisting I quit and find true job. It was a hard time, but I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I couldn't go back to a 9-to-5 job. So this is where, after my first failure, lots of money spent on my formal fashion education and my business, I decided to turn to myself and work on my improvement first. I decided that no one can help me except me. This is where I'm grateful for having found the book from Gabby Bernstein. I don't remember how I got her first book, The Universe Got Your Back, but I can say, thank you, Gabby. You helped me to find the way to my true self and understand how I can improve my life by improving me first. So the answer is not them, not other people's opinions. The answer is in you. I've started meditation practice, working on my visualizations, working with guides, spirits, and convincing myself that I can become a coach and successful business person, a happy mom, a happy woman. This is where my life started changing and opening to a new experiences of me. So today, I'm a happy wife. My husband turned to spirituality as well. And I'm a happy mom of 3. My last boy was born as a manifestation of my meditation. I even gave birth naturally without an epidural because I was guided through my meditations and I believed in myself that I can do it. It was the best experience of giving birth I've ever had before. After going through a cesarean and epidural, giving natural birth was the best moment of my life. And I'm proud entrepreneur. I have a profitable business today. I help hundreds of people to improve their businesses and lives. And I have a team who believe in me and support me every single day. So this change is possible only when it comes from you, not to you. You need to work from inside yourself first, and then your better self will attract everything you need in order to become happy, successful, and abundant. On my journey to myself, my guides were Gabby, Abraham Hicks, Jim Rohn, and yogis. I would recommend watching their videos to start with and buying their books, Start Meditating, and implementing advices to find the way to your new self. So when it starts with you, you will achieve whatever desired state you have to help you grow. So guys, hope you like this video, and I invite you to watch my next video about 7 business ideas to start a fashion brand online. The insides of fashion business explained. I will see you in my next one.